Hello everyone. It's Osei here, and I wish you all a happy new year. I hope that this new year is filled with nothing but good and glad tidings. Speaking of good tidings, I am here to present to you all this new channel, OB Learning Hub. What's OB Learning Hub all about? Buckle up as I take you on a short journey as to what this channel has to offer. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go on this ride. Looking forward to delving deeper into the use of Microsoft Office tools? Is it the use of Microsoft Word to prepare and generate your reports, being it simple or comprehensive ones? Is it the use of it to prepare your CVs for upcoming job applications or for your school project works? Looking forward to capitalizing on the use of Microsoft PowerPoint to summarize and present your ideas and reports? Or is it the use of Microsoft Excel for your quick and comprehensive analysis or for some basic data entry? Then OB Learning Hub is the place to be. Are you a student? Are you a worker? Are you a beginner, an intermediate, or a professional looking forward to using these office tools to help manage and execute your tasks efficiently and effectively? Then OB Learning Hub, we did for you. From getting the fundamentals right through to mastery of these office products, OB Learning Hub, we will stick with you to the end. Learning doesn't necessarily have to be boring, and so here at OB Learning Hub, we will blend it in with some few fun games. Like the saying goes, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We do have a lot of exciting stuff prepared for you, and so kindly stick with us to the end. OB Learning Hub, let's excel together. Well, I hope your interest has been piqued. I am excited to embark on this journey with you as I share some experiences and challenges faced over the years in using these office tools for my work and school execution. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and don't forget to leave a comment behind in any of our videos to let us know what you think. Until I see you again in my next video, it's bye.